Here at Gianaris Trial Lawyers, we work on cases called toxic tort cancer cases. What is a toxic tort cancer case? Toxic tort cancer case is someone whose cancer has been caused in whole or in part by a dangerous chemical. This exposure to this certain chemical can occur either at home, at work, at school, in the community, or through a dangerous product. The key concept here is that the person was exposed to something unnecessarily and in a way that could have been prevented. In proving these cases, there are two major concepts that we have to prove. First is what's called general causation. This is the concept that a certain chemical can cause a certain disease. For example, does benzene cause blood cancer? The answer, yes. So how do you prove a toxic tort cancer case? This is where the lawyers come in and work relentlessly. The key thing that we operate with is that we must show that you were exposed to the chemical at issue that could have caused your disease. This analysis starts with us first diving into whether the chemical at which is issued can cause your disease. And for this, we use scientific research and our own experts to show that link. But next comes the hard part, and the part is called specific causation. And this is the part where we at Gianaris Trial Lawyers work relentlessly on your behalf. This analysis dives into what is known as specific causation. And this is the concept that in this specific case, that chemical caused this person's cancer. In order to do that, we show that that person, our client, was exposed to this chemical in a sufficient amount because of the exposures that they were subjected to. And the way we do this is we take depositions, we get coworker testimony, we look at documents, we show that a company, for example, polluted in an excessive way at this person's home. We also have a highly trained team of investigators with military and police backgrounds that can go into any situation and find the information that we need to help prove your case. In evaluating your case, I often get asked by my clients, this happened so long ago, how can you prove it? That's where our highly trained investigators in research and coworker testimony comes into play. We will find any avenue, every witness that can support the position that you were exposed to this chemical when you should not have been. So no matter how long ago the exposure, our team of highly trained investigators and legal expertise can dive into any situation and find the root of the exposure. We use EPA documentation, coworker testimony, finding every witness possible that can verify and confirm the situation in which you were exposed when you otherwise should not have been.